different mindset. Then now they use their words, they play. Oh, I said, I got them come out to leave us for them. Every day and night, that's so waka. Morning and evening, that's so to you. Them they yarn. If I do my own, you do your own. Knock on the door, like say you get house, you get your work, I get my work. Oh, I said, I ain't we be. Na be yawa. Na be trouble. If I self na biggie wala. Every day and night, we there with the radio. And no better way to get you open your house up. House up, then the farm slave queen.
Yes, the door is open.
Okay, good morning.
Hey, Auntie Catherine.
Since when?
To that name.
Okay, Auntie Catherine, good morning.
Better. So, why are you?
I'm through with the morning chore, so I checked the kitchen. I didn't see you.
Don't answer my question. Why are you here?
It's almost noon. I've not eaten since morning now.
How is that my business?
How is not that's not your business? Are you not in charge of the kitchen?
You're raising your voice at me.
Am I mad? Why would I raise my voice at you?
Now tell me, Uwadiae, what is your responsibility in this house?
It's just to help others now, to make the work easy.
Good. I didn't cook because I had no help.
Eh? That's not possible.
Okay. You know what?
No, I don't know.
Go and call the others. We are having a meeting inside this room now.
Since when do house help start having a meeting without the boss around?
I'm sure you're very hungry. If you know you want to eat, go and call them now.
I should go and call the others.
Yes.
I'm doing this because of hunger. You know this one, give plenty food. I should go and call meeting, which kind of meeting? I don't understand this.
No, bring down the house because you're the first man alive that is hungry.
If I self na biggie wala. Every day and night, we there with the radio. And no better way to get you open your house up. House up, then the farm slave queen.
Who is there?
Oh, so you are here?
Yeah, what's up?
Nothing much, just that Catherine is asking for a meeting before she will decide if she will give food or not.
No, that's so funny. You mean Christian wants us to have a meeting in this house?
Yeah, that's what I said now. That's what she told me.
That's so funny. When the house help starts having meeting without the boss?
Exactly the same question I asked her. See, I want to inform others, so I'm hungry, I want to chop.
Don't worry, I will cook for us to eat.
Ta! Cook waiting, you mean those your hard points that did you cook? Me, I want to eat good food, I don't want to eat any food and that. Yeah, so let me inform the others, if not. Me, I'm hungry, I want to chop.
Alright, I'll come and meet you guys. Hey!
Awesome enemies on the beat.
I don't understand though. Did you call us all here to be looking at your face?
Well, I called us here to talk.
And we'll never talk anything for years since so.
Exactly.
See, I beg. I no go do it. No, you use that eye, look me. As in, no, you're trying. If you try that thing, nah, I go change them for you. Don't follow me do that rubbish.
Jude.
What?
That is okay.
Let's
just hear your house. You might be surprised at the useless of it.
And now this one they come.
Hey, they still call for meeting. Village people still come.
Fine. Why are you just coming?
I can collect my food.
You're sharp. So that I'll go back to my duty post. And I want you to say food don't finish again, no.
See, if I let me tell you now, the same rope tie the two of us. So if you know that you want to eat, better stay for this meeting.
You're sharp.
This one serious, oh.
He's sharp.
Meeting.
Well, it's not new to us. The boss has traveled to spend his holiday and he's not coming anytime soon.
Okay.
So, this house is under our care.
Tell us what we don't know before. Madam Avasa, I don't understand. Are you the boss of the house?
Jude.
What?
Can you just pretend to be normal for the few minutes that we have?
Madam, you are just talking like as if you don't even know Jude before.
Like I said before the cockroach punching.
You people heard him now.
You sharp.
Okay.
We have to reduce the way we go out. No more visitor. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Chai!
Is it two? Tell the two of them.
God go bless you well.
Okay, shut up. Which
Can't
can
see me daughter, so God go bless you. I couldn't sleep well. Nah. Not before night. Open the gate, close the gate, open the gate, close the gate.
My friend, will you keep quiet? What's the meaning of open the gate, close the gate? You that will be there sleeping, dreaming about your village people in your dream, or you complain of one sickness or the other. You are here talking about open the gate, close the gate. In fact, I'm even tired of this useless meeting. In fact, you people are just saying jargon. I need to leave this place. Excuse me.
English people.
Ayo! Come back this year house.
Leave
What
me alone,
she's
I'm
saying
not
is the truth and it will help us.
Let him go. Like I said, we'll reduce the way we eat in this house.
Since when that one start, I don't understand. Okay, since when boss say go this holiday, it make you oversee all of us. May you be the madam of this house.
You know why it's a gay, Abi?
See, all these things, when I stop
Hey, I've not finished.
Waiting.
Are you not hungry or you don't want to eat?
You know why it's a gay?
Okay.
See, you better say the truth now.
Okay, it's okay. We'll eat.
No, go now.
But not see be saying I used to be madam of the house.
Are you hungry?
We'll eat.
Man, anything you talk now, but do one.
See, okay, not be safe. I say who get on no, okay, we'll kill ourselves.
Are you not hungry?
Okay.
Let me help you with your phone.
No, don't worry.
Now because say talk now say oh no put gate. If you follow instruction, I go kill.
Okay.
Now you this have been. You no go down too much of this because you two of them they
Where you they go?
you no go eat now.
Go and they come. I said you go eat.
But you no good for two of them oh. What do you got to do for their room? Now your room.
This house, now different people with different mindset. Then now they use their words, they play. Oh, I said, I got them come out to leave us for them. Every day and night, that's so waka. Morning and evening, that's so to you. Them they yarn. If I do my own, you do your own. Knock on the door, like say you get house, you get your work, I get my work. Oh, I said, I ain't we be. I said.
Who be that?
Tell me, Patricia.
Yeah, Patricia, welcome. Oh. Oh.
Ify, how you doing?
You know, say if I not dey fine, but I see you soon now. I not dey fine.
Stop pulling my legs, Joe.
Let me feel your leg now. See, make I tell you one thing, If you like this world, then this earth fall come down, your beauty go make everywhere dey bright.
Are you serious?
I swear, I'm just serious. See, make I tell you one thing, You be supernatural like supernatural light. Now you be.
Here is the supernatural light.
Now you be for my heart, supernatural light.
It's alright, stop pulling my legs, please. I can't laugh anymore. Where are my friends?
Your friend dey side. You know this is me got to travel. I know the get where they go now. Here they stay.
I can see that. Don't worry, let me meet them inside. Why don't you join us?
I'm not get choice now. Since you don't come, no problem. I'll join you for
It's
inside.
alright, Ify, it's alright.
On the very good day, I go marry you. I like this girl. I go marry this girl one day. I go use my 3 months salary to marry this girl. Ify. This girl fine, no. Now go inside.
What?
You called me supernatural light.
For your mind though.
Funko.
See, if I always want something big that I cannot handle.
I know that you have time for that now since the boss just left.
See, be fine, matter carry me come here.
So, guys, since it's been a while your boss left, what's the plan? What are you guys up to?
My dear, there is no plan yet though, but I obviously want to get the best that I can achieve.
Do you know now I have a rest now? Katri, prepare this. Katri, do this. Katri, do that. I don't want this again. Ah, please, the stress is...
Now, person you apply for the job.
Person no go kill say because of another person wahala.
See, let's leave the stress now. Let's enjoy it while it lasts.
But you still have to do your duties now, like cooking, cleaning, likewise others.
Yeah, this is the time that we want.
Now well done though.
Oh, Jude.
What?
Jude.
Yes.
So there's nothing inside this your so-called head. This female room, for heaven's sake. So you don't know how to knock?
Sorry. Okay, may I go back? Go now.
Jude, come back. There's no need for that. The mistake has been made already. Don't let it repeat itself next time, okay?
Thank you, Jare.
Jude, can you just be normal for once?
Sorry, now no be as okay. Next time if I want to come in, I go knock if I remember.
So why are you here?
Wow, just that I dey pass. I dey hear some laugh and some talk. So the thing dey sweet me, that's okay, make I come join.
Oh, you want to join the conversation, right?
Yes, now.
Okay, feel free.
Thank you. Wow.
I said they did already.
It has been a while. Jesus. No food. Patricia, you didn't eat since you enter this house.
My friends, they did not give me food though, since they are going to be cooking now. Whenever they feel like to cook, no boss around.
Madam, boss, no see, you see give us food. Why you do like this? We'll continue the gist now. What is this up now?
Now food you can't carry, I've been a gist.
Don't mind. Don't worry. I'll prepare something, okay?
No problem. I know you.
Where you got to go? See this.
Ayo, what happen? Why you dey carry face now?
Jude, I'm just worried.
Worry? I don't understand. What you dey worry for? What happen?
You don't get it. This is not the life I wanted for myself.
Hey, Oga wanted. I don't understand which kind of life you can't want before. Now suffer head life.
Jude, suffer no dey tire you.
I don't understand you. What is suffer want tire me for? When I did the house, say I dey shop where, I dey eat where. You know they not dey suffer you. What do you come dey talk for inside now? You dey see free food, you dey see free money. Which kind of thing come be that one?
You see, you don't get my point. You are just talking as if I'm not working for this food. Being a house help is not my dream. You don't get it. It's not my dream.
I don't understand. You work for it. I know this thing they pay me for. You no, you don't work for it. Okay, now see. Now you ever they clean your garden. They eat better food. They do all this thing. If you say now, if you say you come up for here, now you go inherit your pa small chemist store when you see get.
For that, you don't just get it. You don't get it. After all these years I've spent in school and in this house, I'll just go back to go and inherit one small shop. I don't know how you rate me, sef. I don't understand you.
Oga Joseph the dreamer, because you sabi dream well. Which kind of life you can't want? As if you tell me now, you dey eat better food, you dey eat better, you dey wear better clothes, you ever dey shop where they. As in, what do you can't want? That make person not gonna give you.
Jude, just stop it. I thought you came in here to ease my stress. I thought you are feeling my pain. Yeah. See, you are just adding to my problem. I think I need to leave this house for you. What are you even thinking? As I'm telling you that this is not my dream. This is not the life I want for myself. I went to school, I studied hard, but no job. I came here as an asset. Now I'm living here to go and inherit one small pharmacy. See. You don't have anything good to say. I don't want anybody to add to my problem. I need to leave this place. Just carry the house. I don't understand though. Now me cause if you don't want anything, as for me,
This kind of life when I want, so now I just dey so now I'm not, so as far as I not dey stress anybody, nobody dey stress me. Now you dey find big money, now you find out pass now. As for me, so I don't need stress, so now this kind of life I just want, now I just see this. So after all, make all this woman, make them cook, man can't go eat. Let them make kitchen cook fast. Vous savez, I bet man go meet them, vous savez. You still give you stuff, you know.
How are you today?
As you can see, I'm okay. I can see you are giving life to the plant.
Yes, so that's why we are here. And besides, you know, if my boss comes now and see this flower dying, he will not take it lightly with me.
That's true. It's good that you understand. Well, I was about going out to buy something for my boss, so I think it won't be right of me if I don't say hi.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you. Where are the rest of them?
They're inside. Did you check?
No, don't bother. Since I've seen you, I've seen them all.
Okay, it's alright.
Okay
Just
now.
take care.
Alright now.
Okay, take care.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Every day and night, you there with the radio. You know, but I went to get you.
I hear Patricia voice just now. Patricia.
Yes, that was Patricia. You heard rightly.
Where she enter now?
She has left now. What is it?
See, man, tell you what. I like that girl.
You mean Patricia?
No, your grandmama.
See, let me tell you. You see that girl? That girl, Patricia. She's bigger than your destiny.
Now your destiny.
Okay, better find what to do.
Now your destiny. I say I like person say better my destiny. Now your destiny.
Patricia.
English people.
And besides, why did you leave the gate open?
That one I want you. The guys strong shit me on me for that place. Not be small thing.
So because of that, you left the gate open. You know what the boss told you before he left? My friend, go and lock that gate. Go and lock the gate, see?
Bigger than your destiny. I say I like person say this. Hi, Patricia, why you do me like this? I go use my 3 months salary to marry you. 3 months salary to marry you.
Gonna be trouble. Gonna be yawa. Gonna be trouble. The kind of people with it design.
Catherine, where are you going? This one you are well dressed up. Where are you going to?
I'm going to the market to get some things. There are no much food stuff in the house.
Yeah.
If you want, you can join me.
No. I prefer staying back. You know, I just finished cleaning the house. But please, since you are going to market, can you just help me to buy some oranges and apple? Please.
Is that what you want?
Yeah.
You know what? If you want it yourself, go get them. You know the road to the market. Go get it yourself.
Stop now. But you are going to market. Just help me to buy something. What are friends for?
My friend, come, let's go to the market. I'm off.
She's going to market. Instead of asking me to buy something, he's still suggesting for me to follow her. That's not fair.
The kind of people within this house, now different people with different mindset. The now they use their words, they play. Oh, I said, I got them come out to leave you open. Oh, I said, boy, I accept that the phone slave queen. I got no day, now why would I be? Every day and night, I so boyfriend. Oh, I said, I we be.
Patricia, I love you. Me and Patricia will marry. I use my 3 months salary to marry Patricia. My 3 months salary. Then I'll carry Patricia come stay here.
Stupid boy now.
It will be senior gate man wife. Who be that? You have break it down. Who be that?
Come on, will you come and open this stupid gate?
You won't break the gate.
Open this gate, Joe. Open.
Wait.
What?
Wait. Wait. Now you working person here, Apa.
Hypertension.
Thank you, Professor. I said thank you. Now they do ask help for you. See, if you try to get him again, you try again. I'll give it a Kishan.
Okay, wait first.
See there too. See there. Mama come now. Mother's call here again, no.
Where you dey go and wait for the gun?
I don't understand. What sort of question is that?
Okay, wait. See, the way you look, they have been gonna you speak English, but you don't see the way you be. So you want to use this body to follow me go enter inside that room? Okay, you go nowhere.
Do I look like someone that is crazy to you?
No, you not look crazy. You look mad.
See your head.
See, man, you know, you will be like person with the boss come out for inside madness soon.
But
see, okay, see, not try enter that room. Oh. I don't understand which can't be this one now. You go use your madness, you think they follow everybody. See, that room, you know, enter, come outside.
I will keep us Japan. Oh, Apa. I better leave one.
Answer, na be trouble. Na be yawa. Come on, outside, na be wahala. Na be trouble. This kind set of people are never.
Why are you staring at me as if I've grown from you?
Okay, I've not seen you since morning, so I was looking for you all over the house. Just I have this feeling that everything is not okay.
Thank you. As you can see, everything is fine.
Yes, it's obvious. And what are you doing sitting all alone with your phone?
Well, there is network here much than inside, so I just came here to do something on my phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that?
My Instagram account.
I'm sorry, excuse me. Please, what's Instagram? Is it like, okay, Instagram account, back account?
Do you know you are very useless when it comes to social media?
It's alright. Since I'm useless, I'll just join the others inside.
Okay. Once I'm done, I'll join you guys.
No, you don't need to join us. Just stay with your Instagram.
Constance, what are you doing?
As you can see, I'm picking my dirty clothes to go and wash.
But you promised to help me wash the plate. Why I cook food for us to eat?
Oh yes, is that so?
Yes.
In this house, who is in charge of that kitchen?
Of course it's me.
Oh, I guess that settles his rights.
Okay. Maybe you help me wash my dirty clothes in because you want to wash yours.
If you know your clothes are dirty, go and wash it by yourself.
You want me to do everything myself?
Oh yes, very important.
I hate you.
I love you.
Na be yawa. Answer, na be trouble.
I wanted to drop that one. He said no, that I should add this one so that it will be big. Now look at everything just spoil. Oh God.
So Ugo, you don't upgrade reach this kind of level. See, Ugo man tell you. You know say as we did this house now, all of us don't be one family. You know good make I see you say you dey mad. One no let your family know. This one don't pass madness now.
What are you saying in essence?
In essence that see that yesterday now when I see you with if I go bear me weakness, see the way you take dress yesterday, you be like person with dey mad. See, I don't tire for you. Which can't be this one? Later now you see say you don't push it, you don't enter street. Then now you enter dustbin. From there now you can't go enter that road. Can't decrease, they follow everywhere.
Do I look like someone that is crazy to you now?
See, this your it pass madness. Serious one now. This one they call craze.
Jude, you know what?
Don't worry, eh? I will be fine. Understand? Come on.
Hey, this one when you say you dey fine, so me know you understand though. I bless I'll go tell the rest of them before he can't get out of hand. He say him fine. See, person when he fine, they do it like person when they man. Later now you come they talk say, Jude na bad person. He no gree go tell people saying they man. Before he can't get out of hand, so I need to go inform the rest of them. Me they know say I be good person, not be me concern for inside. No concern me oh.
Except that the farm slave queen. I got nothing, now why would I be? Every day and night, my so boyfriend, oh, I said, I'm we be. I said,
see, una no check this way. Oga no dey o. Later na you come dey enter street. Na you still una dey look am.
I don't understand. Why are you guys staring at me as if I'm a ghost?
See, Mona no man now. This guy, now see just say go run, come out, go open.
Come back here. If I where are you going to?
I want to go lock gate now before this guy run come outside. Now if I go,
you stand there.
If I go call door and go say open gate down.
See guys, I've told you before, I'm fine.
Like for real, I don't know what you guys think about Ugo. He's so cool to me.
Same here.
Me too.
Hey, so you don't brainwash una now. No, don't they say same year. And I speak English pass. No problem. When Oga and Madam come, if you not see, we go for this house. Now, see, Kejina, you go, now you. Now, you one day now say, don't run, una no there. If I ain't, now you.
I bet they hungry, I bet.
Okay, they hungry, not be what that they talk. So, make that gate by open, we say we not see am one day.
Are they hungry?
Your gate dey open, go lock am.
We don't talk finish now, they go now.
I said they hungry now.
Now, food they
no,
kill.
guys,
Now, you they cook.
I never cook, they go.
Madam, you all see too much. They cook.
Now wait till.
Everything, never cook. They put the kitchen, say me, you dey put only plate and spoon for them.
Look at
I
you.
never cook.
I know how to.
See, you all not to the press phone. Now, ground go dirty. You not go mop. You know, okay, now me, this guy, this is English when they speak, so una no one now. Sit down with me.
Come on, outside, Nabi Wahala.
Guys, don't be loud, eh? This life is too sweet. This life ain't too sweet, eh? If I make come for this life, I'll come back to this house, eh? Can't take go abroad.
Wait, so if it's like the good food Catherine is feeding us with, it's making you think the impossible. I sure.
Wait, if I for your mind now, you listener say you go make am like we come dey wait for you for here then you make am. Wait, as your reason your life now say you go fit make am for life.
Make I tell you, if I make am on this life, I'll come back, come marry Patricia.
Okay.
You just see I'm married.
Look who we have here.
Wow.
Patricia, how are you? It's been long for some time we have not seen you.
I'm very sorry. It's been work. Work has been really stressful. Oh gosh, meet my co-housemates Choma and Itoan. Please meet my wonderful friends Jude, Ugo and Uwadiae. Fine. Nice meeting you.
Welcome, you guys look good.
Nice meeting you.
And please there's Constant and Catherine.
Well, they are inside.
Alright, let me just quickly meet them.
Bye.
Jude, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at the wonderful creation now. Is it bad?
Oh.
Love will kill you. Love.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'll see you.
Love will kill you there.
I'm coming with you.
Love will kill you there.
I need to trim some flowers this side.
Chai. This girl is fine, no. Benin I be, nobody fan by Patricia. Patricia, I want you to marry you. Oh. Patricia, you are necessary. I love my Patricia. It's a necessary. I see waste.
See, I'm so happy and I really thank you guys. I really love it. I'm so happy.
Yeah. Thanks guys for coming around. Despite the fact that you guys could be doing something, but you make time for us to see.
Yeah. Thanks for having us here.
Thank you. Honestly, the few minutes I spent here with you guys, I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I told you guys that they are like family to me.
Yeah, Patricia is like a friend and sister to us.
That's great.
You know what, girls? Take us like your sisters. This house is for you, okay? Come at any time.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Patricia.
Yes, dear.
How did you get lucky to come across those guests as your friend? And equally, our new friends in the neighborhood.
My dear, I don't even know. If you ask me to explain, I'll be able to explain. I don't even know. But one thing I can assure you, those girls, they are wonderful.
Like seriously, I can't wait to be around them again. They are so great to be with.
Of course, girls. That was just a bit of an iceberg. When you get used to them, you're going to love them. Like,
wow. Those our neighbors are wonderful. Even having the both of you here is also a blessing to me. You guys are more than sisters to me.
Oh, it's okay, please. Before someone starts shedding tears, me, I can't pet anybody.
Nobody will shed tears.
As you can see, I'm very hungry. Choma, is there food in the kitchen?
If we dey hungry.
Yeah, it's like there's some food left in the kitchen. Go and
I
check.
beg, which one is left?
The kind of people with different people with different mindsets. Then now they use their words, they play. I said, I got them come out to leave. If I insist, na biggie wala. Every day and night, we there with the radio. And no better way to get you open your house, boy. I'm set that the fun slate queen. I got my day, so I wanna be. Every day and night, so my friend. I said, I go. Oh.
Fine. Fine. Come. This one that we are dancing happily. Hope something good has happened.
What be say na you tell me say better to do my man, don't until the waka dey come. I be don't get and say, I want to go inside us, go tell una the good news.
So tell us, what is the excitement all about?
If I tell you now, my grandfather, for village, he don't die.
Wait. Ifeanyi, are you okay? You mean your grandfather just died?
Yes.
And you're happy about it?
See, you don't understand. My grandfather, for village, he get pan one tamper. You get the tree. So as he don't die, now me will come take over.
Wait. Ifeanyi, let me get this straight. That you want to leave your job, the city,
yes, now,
and go back to the village,
yes, now,
just to continue from where your grandfather stopped. Ifeanyi, are you okay?
Ifeanyi, let me ask you a question. How much are you being paid here?
Come make I tell you for you.
No, don't whisper in my ear. Just say it loud so we can hear. Say it loud.
You see? Everything all you talk come outside. Now so you go see you now, they go catch you for nothing.
Ifeanyi, say it.
145,000.
Wait, Ifeanyi, can you see how stupid you are? You are being paid 45,000 naira. Roof under your head, free food, and you still want to leave it and go back to the village. Ifeanyi, are you okay?
Let me see this picture. I'm a grown-up and one tapper. So I'll come with that money to marry my practitioner.
You have made up your mind already.
Yeah. If I just have to have a rethink.
No.
Come and join me to the debate.
Wait. Open the gate. I want to go ahead.
Oh. Come and join me to celebrate. Oh, let me play my music. And leave no problem. Somebody that I'm be on. I'm ready.
Do you mean that you greet his girlfriend and he wanted to fight you? For what?
Fight, Ke. He would have beaten you down beyond recognition.
In fact, the girl, she's even my relative, and I even tried to explain this to that idiot. Thank God for the people around, if not, that story for you.
That guy gave you, it's totally insane.
Uwadiae, are you sure you were not doing it for us? It's just what I make you do.
No, guys, you should have seen Uwadiae's frightened face. He was like, no be me, oh. Yeah, she's just my sister. Bros, I beg. No be the way you think her. No be the way you think her. Bros, I beg, help me beg her.
The most important thing, someone is missing.
I guess that is fine.
Wait. Are you guys aware that Ifeanyi will be going back to the village to start up her business?
Are you kidding me?
Hey, I need to hear more. I mean, just sleep.
Wait.
Hey.
Wow. You never tell Una. No. Ask Ayo here now.
Yes, I was there when he said it.
Wait. Is he insane or mentally stable that he say he wants to go to the village?
Like, seriously?
Yeah.
Why would anybody wants to do that?
If at all, it's more better than this gate man job that he's doing. At least he has come up with something more meaningful. And you, Ayo, when are you going to take over your father's medicine shop?
Come on, let's go.
Please don't insult me. Don't even insult me. What's the meaning of that?
Just be here. Don't go and start talking about that.
See. You think I'm back? I will just.
If I self, no biggie wala. Every day and night, we there with the radio. And no better way to get you open your house up. House up, then the phone slave queen. Organa day, now why would I be? Every day and night, my so boyfriend.
Ifeanyi! You know this person they not forget. You don't understand this kind of gate man where you be, oh.
You disturb yourself.
I don't disturb you. You want me to explain that gate?
Who be all this? Not every day, not people they call this house. I'm not tired. I'm not put on. I go blast. I don't put on. You talk again. They fine. Let's do open again now. Come. Now wait. I'm not going to pass house. I want you to start like that. Una no stay for this full compound. Now me be chief security of this compound. My they will call the worker. Una they fine.
It's Shoma and Itoan.
Itoan.
He say look for Shoma and Itoan.
Itoan Shoma. I be like say that they will come start for his house now. I remember na come and carry una go.
Okay, see this house.
Thank you, sir.
Go see am. Chai. See this gate.
Oga lock gate make you come out for there.
Wait, you not see better thing. No, you know my suit got crate.
Okay, man, carry una go now. You ladies first.
Sit down, yeah.
What did you look now? I want to let them go.
But no get back
Come on, upset, na be wahala. This kind set of people I never see. Why not they be like this now? Okay. Gonna be trouble.
What happened? So what's the problem? Why are you crying?
Itoan, talk to us. We are worried.
It's not what we expected, this one.
Talk to us. You're making us more worried. What is it?
I'm leaving this house.
What?
Why?
No, that's not possible.
It's true. It's true.
Are you resigning?
Why would I do that? No, I'm not resigning.
So why are you leaving?
Madam called me earlier today when you both went to the market.
And what did she say?
she explained something to me that she has been going through some things in her office recently. She got demoted, fined, and suspended for 3 months.
Like, seriously?
So it's okay, stop crying.
She said that as a result of that, she cannot accommodate the 3 of us in the house anymore.
Jesus. Sorry.
Is it really that serious?
She said that Patricia here is a long-term trusted friend and Choma have relations. Hence, you both will stay and get cup pay while I go.
No, we won't let you go like that.
Patricia, it's okay, stop crying. Don't worry, we'll put hands together to work this out. Stop crying,
to do now.
There's nothing we can do about it.
It's okay, just stop crying. Stop crying, please. It's okay, man. Crying.
Ifeanyi! Come. You dey shout like say person no dey hear word well. How far now?
Food done.
Oga, Ogbeni, forget food, no be food make me call you. The wetin carry me pass food now.
Which cup be that one?
I hear say you wan go na village go do one business.
Oh lo. So as I did they enjoy my music, they enjoy that they play. Then you call me, tell me say yes this thing. So you na ATM and me they carry everybody matter they work for this thing.
Oga, forget everything.
Who call tell you this thing now?
See, nah, they talk am for his house. Say you wan go your village go do one business. Na truth.
As if my friend now go tell you the truth.
Thank you.
Me and he get one business. One legit business. Me say me and $10 we gonna talk together. The business na legit business, and they call business per one type of business. So they talk say man, and that business now dey rain now.
Wait, I don't understand. You wait, how that one take concern $10 and that go take?
Nah, you know anything now. If I tell you say you dey stupid, nah, you go see na I dey insult you. See, make I tell you one thing.
But you know say you dey curse me so.
I no fit curse you now. See, that business na legit business. Now for you to do me for that business, so that you come up with this ass help or allow me you dey face sale.
See, now wetin you all dey pay me? I don't know why thunder. You just forget to dey strike now.
You see you? I will say, me na thunder, I go strike you scatter.
Well, shall not blame you. Now me may carry myself, my full self, call partner with you, say we talk together. Now I blame. I not blame you, Sha. Why would they stand here, they talk to you for self?
You see? I did here now, they do my music. They do that, they sweep me, no, me just na food don't even don't say. I don't know say na this your stupid wahala. Me they carry the come. If I tell thunder, me did this big ass, me strike you now, and I go be like say I dey insult you. Come join me for Pamantapa business na wahala. I think every food you ever come myself. I beg you, I go and do my music. Never dey play again. So that if I get my money now, I'll marry Patricia. Work for this ass help wahala.
The people within this house, now different people with different mindsets. Then now they use their words, they play. Oh, I said, I got them come out to leave us for them every day and night.
So, where are you coming from?
Where else will I go? If not to and fro the city, looking for where to get a job.
And you didn't call us to join you. We are friends, for Christ's sake.
Your job here will be at risk. I'm okay doing it alone.
So what's up? Is there any good news?
Good news, Ke. My sister, nothing. I'm just tired.
What are we going to do now?
I don't know. There's nothing we can do about it. Let's just forget. I will leave the house. There's nothing we can do about it.
It's okay. Stop crying, Tuan. These your tears will not solve any problem at all. Stop crying, okay? Let's just put ends together and look for something meaningful to come up with.
How? When? In fact, I don't even have anything left in this house.
Calm down. The God we serve will surely not put us to shame, okay?
The God we serve. You better be fast because I don't want to go to the village like this. I don't want to go to the village anymore.
God forbid.
I don't want to go to the village.
You will not return to the village like this. Stop saying that.
I don't want to go to the village.
What are we going to do now?
There's nothing we can do. Just let's forget about it.
I think I have an idea.
An idea?
Really? Yes. Why don't we tell our neighbors? I think they're going to help us out one way or the other.
You have a point.
No. I don't want to bother anyone about this my misfortune. Please don't tell them. Please. I don't want to bother them.
I think she has an idea.
Are you sure?
Yes. Who knows? Help might come from them.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's just give it a try.
Okay, no problem. Let's try. Let's go there.
You're about going at when you call.
Let's go to take something.
You seem unhappy. What could be the problem?
She's leaving very soon.
Why? Don't you want to continue working?
I would have loved to continue.
Then why are you leaving?
My mother called me and explained things to me that she's facing through difficulties at the moment. As a result of that, she cannot accommodate the three of us anymore.
Uwadiae, come back. It hasn't gotten to that. To sort things out. Come back.
Patricia, let him be. He's fragile. Let him be, please.
But what do we do now?
Absolutely nothing. There's nothing we can do about it. Choma, Patricia and I, we've checked around, but couldn't get anything good. My world is falling backward.
Jude, don't bother yourself, okay? We are in together. In every difficulty, we are in, okay? Have you eaten this morning?
She refused to take anything since morning.
Constant, get her something to eat from the kitchen, please.
Well, she says she's not hungry.
I say get her something. Good work. What is it? Why are you moody?
See, she can't leave. We can't allow her to leave now.
You mean Eto, our friend?
Yes, now.
You love her, don't you?
What do we do? See, it's very hard for all of us.
I know, but we have to convince the boss to make her stay himself.
If the boss finds out, he'll get us fired.
I know, but we'll convince the boss to make her stay here.
How?
See, remember a few months ago that he told us he wants to set up an establishment in the city center.
And what has that got to do with that?
Constance, for once, you should use your blockhead. That simply means it will provide job opportunities for each one.
Exactly.
But wait, the last time I checked, the project is still on.
Yes, I think we could talk to the boss to make her stay. We have to make her stay.
Yes, but who will do the talking?
The only person he listens to is you, Uwadiae. And you are going to do the talking by yourself.
Wait. I'm sure you want it one to stay.
Of course, yes. And every one of us wants her to stay too. But I can't do the talking myself. We'll do it together. What do you think?
Yes,
It's okay.
that's right.
Fine. What's the matter? I know that somebody died.
If I better better down, if I better pass it, I better down.
Then what happened?
My future don't go. My future don't go.
Oga no dey around na talk like say he wan sack you.
You know see you be just person. You be just person. I dey tell you say my one friend be just scatter. They say this thing. My one maybe say man, I want to marry Patricia. He don't born to artist.
What future are you talking about other than the one we know?
You know say nothing that they plan say after everything don't come out there now they marry Patricia. We'll go make better life. You dey dey turn this thing.
You see? Okay, wait, now that one they make you dey cry now.
Yes, now money want to marry Patricia.
Ah, you see, you know you don't get future. Now you be the future.
If a better person my village my village has born. Say my go born.
Very clear. Now your village people they follow you, so no born.
This kind set of people I never see. Why not they be like this now?
All you guys here, especially you, Ikwan. You understand it's been a difficult time for you. And as friends, it's important we stick together in times like this.
And you know what? Seeing you in this situation breaks my heart. And also the heart of others.
Yes, that's true. You know, one thing about friendship is that the involved go extra mile to help one another. Hit one, we are solidly behind you.
Thanks, guys. I really appreciate. You guys have been blessings to me. And I will miss you guys when I'm gone.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
there will be no need for that.
How do you mean?
See, there is no way we are going to fold our hands and watch her live.
What you say in essence is we came up with something that actually works.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true. We've talked to our boss to make you charge of his sales business.
Oh my God.
But you know what? If only you accept it.
Oh, I support. Yes, I will accept. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you guys so much. Thank
It's
you.
great to see
Oh
you
my
smile.
goodness. Thank you guys. I really appreciate.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
The kind of people within this house, now different people with different mindset. Then now they use their words, they play. Oh, I said, I got to come out to leave us for them. If I self, no biggie wala. Every day and night, we there with the radio. And no better way to get you open your house, boy. Outside that the farm slave queen. Organa day, now why would I be? Every day and night, so boyfriend, oh, I said, mine we be. I said, be our. I said, na be trouble. Achi.
Adamu, don't tell me, Adamu. Adamu, don't tell me.
See, they tell me say, since when Oga to take Olumo to for this house, they say everything for this house. Now you call the Tulu like Oga.
See, Adamu, I tell you, all that one me they take na lie. Since you take come to this house, for you me, yeah. Now so to this place, my house now they stay. I know they go anywhere. All that girls me say Oga leave, they call it from Slick Queen. Even that one me, they call it man.
Catering.
Catering.
Make I tell you, me I don't feel talk say for this house, that to get with they call you Catering. Anytime we go follow for my trap, me I go give up. Yeah. Sorry. No vessel. I say make I show you the way I go take give you this to Catering because I don't too much for this house. Anyway, if I not because of that one me I come home.
Now everything can make you come.
You know say if they put to food or cook food, say if they not come one more and the food go.
It go spoil.
Now I say make I come home. As it be say Oga come out for house now. Now I say make I come the soft with the one moon in motor so that he not go he not go spoil. If I no problem.
Adamu, you're so fat.
Call the soft. No problem. Make I go check one.
Adamu,
we go see now. later now. This one when you dey laugh me like this. That is suspect. I just pay me oh. This man don still come again. Who's getting wahala person with this one sef? Me before na me get this house. Now you don come with your wahala. You wan call the one moga moto? I no fit one moga moto. They disturb my blues.
Just help me. I know, help me. Just secure that one slot where it remain. Yes, secure that one slot where it remain. I just need to put one or two in place. Yes, in few days I go leave this place. Just help me secure that one slot, I beg. I really need this job. I really need to leave this place. Yes, please, help me. Okay, no problem. Thank you, bros. Thank you. No worries. Thank you, bros. You do well.
Wait. Oh boy, where you dey go?
You dey monitor me, the monitoring spirit. Which one be where they go? Where they go take concern? You go dey monitor me for this house.
Na me be chief security, aka Ifeanyi one for this compound. Anything dey happen, I suppose to know. I dey hear about
chief security.
PH. What you call be PH? You don't be PH.
See you. I no even blame you. Now your understanding wey dey low. Now me dey blame. You know in common PH, you no know.
Wetin be meaning na?
When I go school, you no gree. Say na gate man, how you wan call dey do? They tell me say you na chief security hospital. Port Harcourt. That's the meaning of PH, short form of Port Harcourt.
Wetin you wan go do for Port Harcourt?
Hey, good question. Okay, the fuel no cost reach your area. See, I don secure better work, good job, good paying job for PH for Port Harcourt. Na there I wan go.
Wait. That means you wan tell me say na you wan leave this job now go do fisherman work.
I know.
You think you dey stupid? You be like monkey.
I no blame you. I blame myself. I just stand here. They listen to you. Chief security officer, my food. The chief security they go. I beg you, man, come on yourself.
Ayo. Una no one call and small boy. Ayo na chemist man. Una no one call and small boy. Ayo na fisherman. Una no one call and chemist speaking. Ayo na fisherman. Una no one call and chemist speaking. So you wan leave this ass help? Me they give you small money, they pay you, they feed you, do you everything. You not today's house, clean your house. Now be your duty. Now you want to go do fisherman.
Fine girl, no pimples. See fine girl now. And now you born this speaking, I go bless her. Come on, Licha. They go you go. 1 million naira, nothing less. No man will try me. You see me so.
And this girl, you think say you fine? I know plenty girls wey fine pass you.
Uwadiae, what is the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of what?
The song you just sang.
Oh, it's just a song, no hard feelings.
You think you're smart, Abby? Don't worry. I'll come meet you when I'm done.
Come, this thing is broken. I can't fix this thing.
I don't do it. Fine girl.
Yes, the door is open.
Hey kids, what's up?
How are you, girl?
I'm good. Just kind of bored you.
Not too good though.
Wait. Patricia, you didn't see me yet.
Oh, Uwadiae, I'm sorry. Pardon my manners. Sorry.
Your manners is pardon already.
Choma is no longer working with us.
What happened?
Nothing bad though.
she gained admission into their institution.
Oh. Thank God.
But I'm
Okay,
poor.
okay, which one is? Are you happy for her? You are sad.
She's happy now.
And that's why you say,
Yes, come in.
Who is there? Come inside,
You don't tell you. Hey! Hey! See the way all of us come find you. Una be like mommy water wey dey on top of we.
What's happening? Ah!
Why you dey romance my bag?
Wait now. Why is bag empty? Nothing is inside.
If nothing not dey inside, what you concern you?
Now only toothbrush you carry come. Why toothbrush?
What be your problem?
The bag
I know say this mark wey they put for your face, so it dey affect to you.
What's happened?
See, abeg. Tell us say you just come. This thing just help them to fix it.
You get wetin dey in your head. Make me help you to. Abeg comot to me.
I don't tell you. Fix am for them.
I don see say na this mark wey dey your face na dey affect you. Abeg get to.
What's happening?
Sister,
Welcome.
Are you stupid? What is this? Do you want to put it on my body?
What was the problem?
Take it easy.
Can't you see what it is?
That's how it normally behaves.
Before you be like a calabar, you demon. That's not the feel to play with you. Kiteri. You can't find you. So wait, Kiteri. Now this is dress you call the dress you look for this house.
You don't find. You don't find.
No,
It's fine, don't mind him.
So you could do like saying now you be.
You don't know before.
I not blame you now. By the way, Kiteri, I beg. I say make I ask you because me they come here so my belly they hot too. I say make I ask you whether anything they look for kitchen make I self take cool my belly.
I know cook na food carry you come me.
Now you're sorry.
Oh, they tell me say we never cook. Best to go there to ask. What be your position for this house?
Hey! Go cook, Oga.
Even if there is food in the kitchen, you can't eat it.
I not blaming you. When I go see, don't I go fire me all of now for this house.
You don't put yourself inside.
You always behave like
Calabar demo. That person be. You when they use you all here, you dey talk stuff. So that they smell fellow you. Your body when they smell message.
If I do my own, you do your own. Knock on the door like say you get house. You get your work, I get my work. Oh, answer, mine will be. Answer, na be yawa. Answer, na be trouble. If I self, na biggie wala. Every day and night, we there with you radio.
Ayo, my friend, you wait, fisherman, wait.
See. No disturb me, abeg. No, you disturb me.
Ayo, what you do like this? See, wait, you black, You can't see wicked. You the representative for this earth. I understand you.
See. I no just get time for all this your insult. I get important things to do, abeg. No come here come dey insult me, abeg.
Ayo, wait. You know say you first tell me say you don't see job for PH. Now cause him I call remind you now since you don't come put it up.
Wetin concern you concern my job for PH. I take all concern you. I don't want to hold you.
Wait, might tell you. You know say as Igbo man may I be.
Tell me.
I come reason and say you the Ayo go be the producer, me go be the distributor. So we call like this Ayo the producer, then Ifeanyi the distributor company. How you see?
See, I know you get time for all this your joke. See, how you reason me sef? I just leave oil company for PH, come go become fisherman. How you dey reason me? I never understand you. Oil company wey dey there. Wetin dey call dey do? Wey me come go be fisherman. Abeg leave me, I never get time for this one to talk so.
Okay. That means now your company won't go, don't be fish.
Now oil company, now I wan go work. They not tell you, me and you know the same class again. Not the same class. As me so, I get important things to do. Nobody somewhere there, they waste my time. I go think I want to go to work for oil company. Me and you know they the same level. But I think
Oh! We know if it's the same level. You black and not black. You be like devil. How many you wanted to say? See how you. You see what go work for? Oh yeah, waiting. Oh yeah, company gbe wa gbe o. See how you. Nothing if I go see for gates.
Awesome enemies on the beat.
You know, say for this you fool house. Now only you be the best two friend when me I get to for this house. Now I say make I come meet to you, make I come tell you wetin dey look for my mind. Because this thing wey dey look for my mind now, if I say make I tell you custard, you not go want listen to me.
And who is Custard here? Adamu or whatever you call yourself. My name is Constance and not Custard.
Whether you Constance or custard, all of them are the same. Now English is a communication language. Make you know the quarrel.
I beg, I don't want to laugh again. My tummy don't.
I beg. I say make I come tell you. You say, Patricia, that will get. I love you one.
I'm not keep person though. Please, I don't want to laugh this morning. It's okay, please. Hey.
But
tummy.
But you don't already dey laugh. I don't understand.
I don't dey tired.
Wetin me I dey tell you now? I serious.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Which one come be this one now?
People like una wey be say una not get to feature. Now so person go dey talk una come dey jump put to like saying another thing.
I beg, Adamu, I don't do for you now. I don't understand you.
Ayo, what is it?
I beg before that one. I beg. I say make una help me talk to Patricia because I love that.
Please let me talk. It's very important.
Wait. Ayo, what is it this morning?
I'm leaving the house.
Why? Can't it wait?
I said I'm leaving the house.
You always leave the house. Leaving the house, going out and coming back late without notifying anybody. Why are you telling us?
You don't even understand when I say I'm leaving the house. I mean I'm quitting my job here. I'm done working here.
Ayo, come. Are you high? Or do you know what you're saying?
I know what I'm saying. I'm done with my work here, so I'm leaving the house. So I just came to inform you guys.
So when are you leaving?
This morning.
Oh, Ayo. You mean you are leaving this house this morning very soon?
Yes, Adamu.
So what will you be doing then?
I'm not sure till I get to Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt?
Yes.
Okay, well, I wish you all the best. Good luck then.
Thank you.
The only thing I have to tell you is that you should be very careful with anything you are doing, because all those who Port Harcourt to boys, if they deal with you yourself will not say there is Jesus Christ of Nazareth and Jesus Nava the footballer.
And I understand. Thanks for your concern. I will take good care.
And also stay safe, okay? Stay out of trouble.
Yes, I will.
Alright.
And I'll miss you guys. So, bye-bye.
So, you know why I eat my food again, Abby?
Well, I don't want to eat your food anymore. Yes.
Just take care of yourself.
It don't do stack it three. As I tell you just now, I beg you make una help me talk to Patricia. You see, if Patricia just do waka, you not go to the thing I not go fit to stay low. I beg. Make una help me.
My better that they pay me, don't do.
I dey talk to you, say make you help me. They laugh at me.
I don't hear you.
Awesome enemies on the beat.
Ugo, I don't understand you. This one wey you dey waka up and down, so wetin happen now?
I swear the thing is becoming too much.
This network is just too stupid. I'm trying to access something since morning and it's not working out.
See, the best way for you now, you know what you want to do, so just carry forward back or to follow. You hear on top of back, just go out for transformer. You see better network.
Ugo, that's a nice idea. Just go and climb the mouse outside.
I don't blame you guys.
And besides, what do you even need this network for?
A friend of mine sent me a game to play and I can't access it because of network. And this game is very short.
Jesus, Ogbeni, so you don't dey play gamble now?
Which gamble? This is not gamble. It's short, like very, very short.
Ugo, can you get yourself? So because it's short game, it's no longer gambling, Abi?
See,
you guys should join me in this business. Do you know why? The higher the amount and the bigger the pay to be won.
I don't understand. You dey craze? I gather my money now. Can't give you. As you take go do it, you take play gamble. I know you understand what una dey talk. Oh. See, I know the money one gas they give me now. I call God that can't give one person they play gamble. But not get you they talk of gas.
Let me tell you, since you both of you don't want to join me, by the time the pay of this game will come, nobody should come near me. You guys will also be out of it.
What are friends for?
Get that? Which friends? Are you my friend?
One person has to make the sacrifice.
You see,
I'm putting the whole of my salary.
See, I mean, they advise am for you to the advise am for better thing. They advise am for useless thing. Go play gamble. What I want to now, you sit down here, they form oga. Muna dey waka follow. I don't blame una. I don't know why oga even employ una. This house, oga man talk. You dey tell me say me which kind. I know why oga even employ una. Muna sit down for here. They form oga.
Jude,
wetin?
You are saying the truth. Ugo, abeg shift my.
Man shift. You dey okay? Man shift. For you to go back now, go water flower. You dey here, come dey fool yourself. Man shift. I don shift now. As from you, maybe you all dey here dey play gamble. Because we don't know wetin. Mama tear you slap. We don't even know wetin una dey do now. Make dey play you there. What do I do now? Still surprise say Kechi go still go call oga say.
Jude, that's true.
That's true.
They
shift you. Not go water flower. Me sit down here dey form for you.
This next one should just work because I'm about to be a millionaire.
Have you seen it?
See what?
Check now. Maybe the network has come.
You say you're my friend. You, my friend. Come on, get your head off.
Ifeanyi! Ifi! Abeg, come first.
Come on, upset. Now be wahala. This kind set of people I never see. Why not they be like this now? Okay.
Hey, Ifi, I want you to help me do something.
Now anytime you see I wanted to do something, now they come in. I go to polish my knee. If you this one, if you that one, what you want to do now?
Abeg, help me buy soft drink, please.
Chimo. You should be soft drink again now. No believe bread, they say it is soft. You just come be drink soft drink again now.
Please, so my food will get burnt, please. Help me buy the soft drink now. Let me go and check my food. Take.
Abeg. Side they run like Judas sucker mosquito. I think so you be matter for this house. You dey post, they do it. Get this and get it over. Now me, if I be the madam and the oga of this house. Side they run. Nothing if I not go see forget so.
It one. Welcome to your new home.
Thanks, yeah.
You're welcome.
Having you around is always great.
Yeah, that's great. I'm looking forward to working with you guys.
Okay.
Ito, I believe this your coming to this your house is the beginning of a new phase. You see, this your smell, the way they smell mune, me I like mamo. You are welcome.
Thank you. That's true. It's also a new phase for me.
Anyway, it's just the beginning for it, okay?
Jude, what? I don't know before I enter.
Cover your mouth too. Don't you know that you are supposed to take permission before you bite into this house?
Hey, see woman rapa. I don't understand. For wetin driver come dey do for woman room?
You dey talk to me?
Hey, wonder shall never end. No, wait, no, you na woman wey you come dey stay woman room.
See, guys, it's okay. Jude, do you need anything?
No, just that I don't need anything now. Just that I just dey waka dey come. Now make me your hear one sweet voice. Now I just make I run enter. Make I greet the person now.
Are you serious? I wasn't expecting that from you. Don't worry, I'll come and visit you guys in your room. I will come.
He said we come and visit you guys. He's not talking to you. Are you part of the gas room?
I don't understand you. I don't know wetin man go dey find for woman room. You will be driver. Wetin go dey find for here? Well, sha, no problem. Me, I can't dey go before somebody here go come turn me upside down. When he's called, he says, saying a constant.
I beg, just carry yourself, go one side. Just shift from here.
I don't understand though. Come on, get yourself. Like say, na only you want get this room. For you to the beer better, you go the beer custard. Custard. You know the shame. No go make a. Now come fit you. No be custard. That's the beer bino. Come and open it now, idiot. That's the beer bino.
Just go, please.
Costi.
Are you minding this food?
Make una no mind no.
Don't be angry with him,
But one thing I go tell you, this is your name. It be like say we go, you see each child, make we schedule one. Because this will cost her, not really good.
Hey, don't even call me that.
No, I know what I tell you
Sure,
now.
you just be fooling yourself.
No, see, if we like, you know why you not see like name like a Ukaube, Krista Ubeli. You don't see that one. You the guys who cost her do not good. I want me to call you better name we go sweet like sweet potato Ukaube.
The kind of people within this house, now different people with different mindsets. Then now they use the word they play. I say myself, no biggie wala. Every day and night, we there with the radio. And no better way to get you open.
What happened?
What do you mean that what happened?
You're supposed to be in the kitchen.
Of course, I'm in the kitchen.
But you're inside the room.
Yes, I'm here to pick something.
And what could that be?
Don't make me forget what I can't look for.
Wait, oh, this one you are still putting on apron. Does it mean the food is not yet ready?
Madam, if you want to eat, go to the kitchen and carry food and eat.
Like seriously?
Like seriously.
Hey.
Wholesome enemies on the beat.
See, Jude, I'm not the one you should be asking.
Alpha, a flower for back. I don't put water.
See, Jude, don't disturb me. Don't disturb me.
No, no, disturb. The same time, but time don't go. No,
go and do it yourself now.
What's up, guys? Good morning.
You don't understand though.
Good morning. Are you not going to answer me?
When some people they want to speak English, but they're not good.
Please, oh, wait. You exactly know why we are here. Because I don't understand this.
Like seriously, I can't believe if I ain't called for this meeting.
Wait.
I'm still wondering if it is real.
If I meeting. Okay.
No, nah. Now when he don't call us now. So we don't know what he call us for. So more your wait, make the food come, he come fully said. Since if he call us more, they come, follow and talk.
See, I don't know about you guys. If I notice that he called us for just to waste our time here, I'll show you the other side of it.
See, make I tell you now. Make una not despise the fact say na if I call you for this to meet you. Because nobody no look for here the reason why we find call you for this meeting. If it be say he get it important to tell you every one of us. I beg. Make we give am chance make it talk I beg.
Okay. See, we don't know Abi. You are just talking as if you don't know Ifeanyi. Don't worry, when Ifeanyi come, we'll shock you.
Good days, ladies and gentlemen.
Ifeanyi, keep your greetings. Why did you decide to keep us here waiting? Knowing fully well that we all have important things to do. What's your problem?
You don't say this one, you don't say you don't get as it be like this one, I want to go job. See, you don't say for this house, we need a job. We need to do anything. I want to wake up, eat, wake up. So I can't organize jogging every morning for this house.
Ifeanyi,
I don't tell you now.
See, I don't know about you guys,
God, you create.
I'm off.
You create, oh.
Ifeanyi, me, I'm off.
As for me, I'm out of this place.
Even with what to be saying, man, you never get this back. I want help me get.
See the way I'm just looking at you. Common sense you don't have.
Call me, let me get. Oh, jogging. See, you know what? Go inside.
I know what you want to do now. So when we want to start?
Not tomorrow now.
Tomorrow.
But no, move to the answer.
Move to the
yes.
answer.
Let's go. Like this.
Even you say you be mumu,
I don't understand.
So
What did this woman about the talk?
You want go to juggle. You come here leave this dress like say you be native daughter.
Okay, I leave this man. So when I want to start.
Say
him.
Him. Now go. Him.
Not to laugh for. I know say many of una for this house una get your own problem.
Do you know what, girls? This is one of the craziest things I've ever done. How could I just... It's so stupid to answer to a call by that... what is his name? That gate man. I know. Hi.
Right from time, I know that if I don't have any bad thing to say.
Why didn't you say it?
I thought you always claimed to be clever. You should have known yourself.
Guess, that's enough. Let's not create another crazy scene here.
I guess we should go to our duty post and you go and mop the place you usually mop. Are you mop? Yeah, do the rest then.
What exactly should I do?
Tidy the room, okay?
Okay. No, don't tidy the room. You should stay and learn your good manners.
What have I wronged you? And why are you always attacking me?
I just hate you.
Constant.
What?
Goodness. Oh, wow.
Matter of this room, sir.
Please go, Joe.
Me, I'm going to the kitchen.
How far now?
Just the...
Are you done working?
Yeah, I'm done. It fast a bit. Although I had a... That's why it's fast.
And who assisted you? I guess is it one.
Then you've guessed rightly then. Since you know what did you ask? What's in that again? I know what you are thinking.
I'm not thinking anything though.
I know what
I'm not thinking anything. I heard they went to gym today. Why didn't you go with them?
You mean Jude and Impending?
Yes.
Wait, you look me finish, can't say make a combo gym.
Yeah, fine.
How far? What's up?
I'm fine.
You came so soon. You went on this uniform just now.
Jude, you sure say you bath so?
I don't understand. No, I never come. I see the inside boss. When I come, I can't tell now. Since you say I don't want gym, why you call they ask me question?
Jude, what's the essence of this gym?
Man, I tell you what you know. That gym is so as in go make me come grab. I can't be the man of the house. Not the one they do for you. So,
Jude, guy, Ozu, your mate they work. You they go outside, go they do Jimmy. Ozu.
I know that's what they do. So not be Ozu.
How is Jimmy and Osley same thing? How are they related? You that is Jimmy now. You will end up being bouncer to those Osley.
See, if na two not get what you want to talk, one just cover on a man. You want tell me I say upon all the gym where they follow if I they do, I can't be bouncer. You bless you nowhere. See, since you are not ready. Maybe you see this your flat A4 paper so we not get anything. For you to follow me, my the teacher to give me for grab. You dey the fool yourself. Or as for you, Ugo, when I like that here. See as for me, so I want follow go meet fine. We dey go for another round too.
Wait, you are going for another?
You are
going for round two.
Okay, now you know I don't.
Jude, now who don't get money they also.
Leave and go, that was good.
Person want commit suicide, do they look am?
See, just leave am. He never learn anything until he learn. Wait till they tell him na nonsense.
Hey.
See, when you dey come this house, sorry, you didn't buy bed, sheep, down to sleep.
You just finish working. Go and take your bait now. I don't understand. Guy, go and take your bait. You are smelling. Go and take your bait. You just finish working.
Wait, now me dey smell, abi na you dey smell?
You are the one you are smelling.
Okay, true. Let me. I beg sheep. If I come back, I can't sleep.
If I self na biggie wala, every day and night we dey with the radio. It no matter where target you open your house then the farm slave queen. Organa day, now why would I be? Every day and night, so boyfriend.
What did that happen now?
You know say you no get hair. You know the this start now for the road they come.
I don't understand you. That small jog, your stand. Now you make you the breed like this. Like Christmas go to a escape from death.
You not see you. You don't know anything. That na small run and run us now.
Okay, may you stand up more, go jog again now.
Jog? For where?
You know what? I don't understand. You know what gets this back again?
You know
that white chest.
Abeg. Just leave a jog here for Tony. Anna just come. Abeg, just leave am for that. Abeg, I don't want jog. Abeg.
So now, so you want you to get the white chest and get his back?
Now first to get white chest and six pack, you want kill me? Oh, so now your plan to kill me so you carry party baby for my aunt.
Now what might be your problem? I want to go jog, so I want me my muscle come and say, may I get that six pack?
Go jog. I don't want grab. How you grab this people go? Yeah. So this way get plan. After you don't kill me finish now, so you go take over party baby for my aunt. It not go work for you. Go get your six pack and your white chest. Me too they follow this they go. Take that again. My tree have been this thing. What bell? Six pack. To want me a jog, I never regret myself. You see me I go jog again. Six pack go kill you.
See, of a truth, I'm almost the best in my class, you know.
Thank God. You almost said the best.
Which best? I don't even think she's even close to what he just said now. She's best.
High punch.
Good work. You form my handle. Were you the best? Jealousy.
No go there. I was the best in my class. Go and ask in my school now. I'll tell you. I'll give you the food gist.
That's good. I guess the best from behind.
Correct. It is
that's not true. The best from...
Guys, haven't you guys noticed that Jude has been absent for some hours now?
Yes, that's true. I was even about asking.
But where could he possibly be?
That question should be directed to the person behind me.
I don't understand. Why are you
Where are you
looking?
coming from?
Are
you Jude?
Where is Jude?
If I say this food need a cook, it don't enter your head. What do you concern gate man, concern the keeper? I be Jude keeper.
Are you not supposed to be the one watching over everybody's movement in this house as the gatekeeper?
What do you concern gate man, concern keeper? What do you concern Jude? I don't know where Jude better they say you. I beg now.
See, you guys should not mind the words of Ifeanyi. Jude told Ugo and I that he will be going to the gym with this Ifeanyi.
Yes, that's what he said now.
Ifeanyi, where is Jude?
You see now, because you don't get six pack and white chest, that make they talk like this. Say the lie. I see black like Musho.
See,
They say me and Jude, we go gym. How be me there so? You see you, liar! I make you black like Shako.
That's black.
Please, guys, he's okay. Let's go and look for him.
period.
If not go look for Jude, not go look for Jude. As for me, I know they leave my gates. Go look for Jude. At all. Now that gate I want to stay. Like I go look for Jude.
No, okay, I don't understand. Let's go now. Let's go and look for him now.
You're very annoying.
Very. I bet after this, I did the verse and I did hungry. Where? I better not give me food, man. Come back to me.
Which food?
Give me food now.
Which food? I don't cook food. Which food?
How do you expect us to eat when someone is missing?
Oh.
Go and look for him now. You go out and look for him.
If I cry,
Cry now.
If I cry, nobody go pass down my gate again, no.
I cry.
I go cry, oh.
Cry.
What are you waiting for?
Cry.
Cry, baby.
If I start my own.
Cry.
If I start my own.
Okay.
Oh.
Say make them go the job. They go.
You never bath self. Try this man.
Chai.
Don't mind them.
Wow, that's me. Wow, very great. Please let's go and look for Jude. If I insist, na biggie wala. Every day and night, we dey with the radio. Enough but I went to get you open.
And I mean fine. Now Jude though. Jude don't wake up this ceremony say he want go do gym. She's money now, never see him. At the from one street, from Bully Lane. Okay, sir. You.
Jude. Fine. What happened now? Where is Jude? Where is Jude?
This morning, I sit down for here. Jude say he want go do jogging. Say he want get a 6-pack and white chest. And this morning, I never see Jude.
You say you not see Jude now.
6 morning, I never see him. I don't call 119. They say they want to go search for Jude.
You see what it costs now? You brought this advice. Eh? We told you that we should not do this. I don't understand.
Open gate. Open gate. Jude! Jude!
What's happening now?
No, do something, Jude. Do water. Jude! Can you wake up?
Sit here,
What happened now? Where are you going?
You say Jim? Which am I Jim? You say you want get wet chest and 6-pack.
I don't understand. You caused this thing now. You caused it.
Oh.
I thank God though. I thank God that you are around.
He said Jim. Now change the plan. Now let me see.
You better come inside though. You better come inside. Nobody come and give it to you.
Oh.
I don't blame you, Sha. I don't blame you. Let's leave him here, Joe. You started it now. Did you know that project? I said,
you say you? Nothing. If why you not going to see for date. Now let me clarify. I'll give you tea. I think they found 6-pack white chef. If I am the wisest man, I tell you, say, don't play with Igbo man. We are very sensible. Let it go. Look at me. 6-pack and white chest.
If I self, na biggie wala. Every day and night, we there with the radio. And no better way to get you.
We've been unable to reach out to you for some time now.
That's true. Patricia, where have you been? I haven't tried reaching you, but it was not going through.
Yes. Why have you been out of reach?
K2, Constant,
What?
Jude. You guys haven't noticed Patricia's presence?
Patricia, which is
Now, wow. You guys are just stuck to your phones.
This social media of a thing, from what I'm seeing, it has done more harm than good.
Really? But no mind this one, Joe.
Okay, what good has social media done to you? Tell them.
Obviously, social media helps us a lot. Bring people that are far closer to us.
And as a result, taking people that are close far.
Thank you.
Obviously, it has done more harm than good.
Says who?
Social media give voices to minorities and vulnerable sections. For example, more people in the country, more women voicing out, saying what they can do best, and also teach us the best thing we can.
Really? Yes, of course. The same social media is promoting violence through online and making others to threaten and harass others by hiding their identity.
Obviously, it helps in democracy, and also, like, for example, let me just say that in Arab Spring, Nigeria, and so many ways.
For this country, to me, it's only making people to become celebrities. Social media has made many persons to become celebrities, and as a result, turning them into self-obsessed and narcissistic.
Jude! What has social media done to you?
I know man, I'm just okay.
Suppose this for this life, sha.
Oga, see, I beg, if you not get what you want to talk, you keep on to team they do this meeting, finish, we'll go fight our fight for gate.
We just start now. We just start for here now. For carry head like a notable bush fallow. I think it just now. Hey. Non-notable bush fallow. See, I don't get to now time. I go to my gate.
There go.
I don't understand. I mean, they call that with me.
No,
Come back now. No better than Bustala.
No, Titi.
Bustala. If I love somebody.
Oh, this is sweet, man.
Bustala.
I've missed the most important part of this movie.
This particular one.
Not this one.
I'm sweet. What's your problem?
What's happening?
What do you mean what is happening?
There's no food in the kitchen.
What happened to the one I cooked yesterday?
That one is finished now. You did it. Oh. Didn't you?
I'm sorry.
My God, Jesus Christ. And you have been using that phone for about 4 hours.
This is 1 hour, 30 minutes actually.
And you are proud of that?
So what?
Iton, you are here looking at them.
My dear, I've talked all I have to them. Please do yours.
Oh God, my battery is down. I'm very tired. I can't cook now. Please.
Come, you are not serious.
Uwadiae, instead of you standing here and be wasting your energy, why can't you use the same energy and go and cook food for us? After all, there are some vegetables in the kitchen.
Of course, there are some vegetables. And please slice it. All the ingredients you need is there.
She said you should go and slice it.
Me? Vegetable? I should slice it. That's not possible.
Yes, that's it.
You are not serious.
Look, Uwadiae, don't worry yourself. We'll do it together. Please meet me in the kitchen.
This is what you want, Abby.
Let's go.
This is what you want. Don't worry.
People within this house, now different people with different mindset. Then now they use their work, they play. Oh, I said. God don't come out to leave us for them. Every day and night, that's so I can. Morning and evening, that's so to you. Them they are.
Wait, who took the thing I kept here now? Guys, can you imagine? There's no food in the kitchen and Katie said she can't cook.
Food! Will you keep quiet? What is our duty in this house if not to cook?
I bet when I leave that pocket, Jerry.
Who is she expecting to cook for the whole house, if not her?
Do I know? And besides, it was already in the kitchen waiting for me to join her so that we can make something to eat.
Oh, my belly go open as well. There, that food. I go shop her.
Wait.
What you say now?
Mahaba, if that food is ready, you won't eat of it.
Okay, forget about see, not cause me. See, not cause me like you talking. Okay, what do you mean they expect? If woman not cook, man not they cook.
Imagine this is I like it.
That's what you have to say. You want to eat, Abi? You eat.
He like you hang your neck for her, but God, that food that will chop and pass you.
If woman not they cook, where that they cook? What are you doing here? You go kitchen and go cook.
What you be
go cook for kitchen.
Go cook for kitchen.
Go cook for kitchen. But you want to eat the food.
You know they understand now for this house. Okay, na bad thing now say she not cook and una not go cook. Na not be guys say they kitchen and they cook. Don't worry, go over you.
My guy. It is well.
Yeah, I better fast cook the food. We don't the whole cook. Not be lie. But not be lie. We do the suffer that game. But what did she do? She do the clean, madam. No be make her. and it's wetin dey pay me pass. You go carry cellophane say they go market before you go come for night here. Did all that.
Wetin you go sign inside?
So most see dey try when we be gas, most see dey try dey cook. Abi you no sabi cook?
I no fit, I no even sabi.
Hey, we'll meet all those girls, make them teach us now.
Which girl? I no sabi.
Costa na wetin dey pay for that one na so more in the.
You too dey talk, leave me.
Okay, I dey talk anyhow now. I dey talk anyhow. Now to the press phone na sabi. If me press the phone now, I dey talk.
Awesome easy on the beat.
Don't change roster for this house and not tell me.
Fine. Why did you ask?
My kitchen be the day kitchen now. It's not be saying now to come the kitchen now. What happened?
She said she's tired, so she needed a day off. She cannot cook.
So many food is said like this. You will see so. I don't be waiting.
Even don't be carried away. A food smells nice does not mean it tastes good. So remove the knife from that one.
I like son, I don't like me talk. This somebody say you and the bag they cook so. These two that must taste this food. I must taste them.
No problem.
Hi. Jesus.
I know. Okay.
See, to do I can thank you. This food then, as they scent like this one, if it's sweet, I will change the name for Bon to Bon.
If I know what, don't worry. Just go back to the gate. Or go and take your bath. Get ready to eat the most delicious meal you have eaten in this house.
The most waiting?
Delicious meal.
Delicious
meal you have ever eaten in this house.
Please, you can't sit down.
I'm done.
Look at this side. Watch this side.
Delicious.
Madam, check that thing before that.
Delicious meal. Delicious meal.
If I go and bath.
Delicious meal.
Go and bath. Before you finish, this food is ready.
I'm about to serve food though, please.
If I go. Or you want to eat? Go. It's not ready yet. Go and bath.
Delicious meal.
What are you looking for? Put this water inside here.
Wow, this was sweet too. Hey, Jesus.
I don't understand. Phone me say, man, two nations combine together, cook. I say you don't go sweet.
Who wouldn't like something good?
Wow, we do our credit a lot. It's not matter that woman when they call it say madam, when they say madam of the house. Debit a lot to her. Not cook, no go cook. Do the waka go market. If you go market, na night you go take off before you can say food no dey again.
Jude, why don't you sit down?
Tell her.
Sit down. I barely sit down for one sit down. As you see me so, as I don't stand like this so, I want make the food here from my neck here like this. You go reach my toe. Ha!
You are so funny.
Beg you. Okay.
It one. My food has finished. And this one has not even passed through my throat.
See wahala. Okay, what do you want me she can do now?
Thank you.
I need more. I need something to digest it down.
Ugo! What you need is water to push it down, not...
Like seriously.
See, now so they talk too much. That you see that big tank, maybe say me, it dey my gate. Since you not believe for now, go do the tank now so that your belly go big. You laugh with too much. See your belly self. I beg, it's on. Thank you for the food.
You're welcome.
I beg, I want to go back to my gate.
Make sure you return that plate.
I will return the plate.
Eh?
Ugo, you know the belly food. I say give me my own, no see do you. This one way Oga run leave una come for this house so. Una don go find solution. Na so now
I don't want anybody join me chop my own though.
No, I don't go inside though.
The kind of people within this house, now different people with different mindset. Then now they use their words they play. Oh, I said. Every day and night, so waka. Morning and evening, so tori. Them they yarn. If I do my own.
Hey. It's on. You are still awake.
Yeah.
You get your work, I get my work. Accept my baby. Accept.
What are you doing here all alone?
Nothing much. I'm just trying to have some quiet times. Just to watch some movies.
So, can I join you?
Why not? Join me. The movie is interesting. You like it.
So, how often do you come here to sit all alone?
Sometimes. Not always, but when I need it, I'll just come here. And the movie they showed this hour, very interesting.
Thank you so much.
For what?
Ever since I moved into this house, you've made me recover so quickly. I really appreciate it.
Thanks.
I really appreciate that.
Thanks. I'm honored. And besides, that's what friends do. You know that.
Sorry, I mean, I need to go.
I'm not going to watch the movie again.
Maybe some other time.
No, you can't. This one is interesting.
I will join you some other time. Thank you.
You like it?
If I insist, no biggie wala. Every day and night, we there with the radio. And no butter when I get you open your house up. Accept that the farm slave queen. Organa day, now why would I be? Every day and night, so boyfriend, you accept. Mine we be. Accept.
It's fine.
Somebody shout my name, so what happened? As a bomb.
Which house is burned? Are you the one that set fire on it?
Habib, this is the book house.
Come, why is there no light in the house? Am I not talking to you? Are you deaf?
No, I'm not the deaf now. What do you call sign? Guess my call sign NEPA. I be NEPA.
I'm not sure that you're not deaf. Fine.
What's up just now? I hear the that one now. I said no, I not be NEPA. Talk on that one. Which one be say this thing?
See, continue talking all this your rubbish. Please, so me, I need to be online now. Please go and on the generator.
See, make I tell you, fuel, you not the gen.
Then go and get the diesel now.
I'm not married to buy this. I'm not married for diesel. To buy diesel now. I'm not married to buy.
Oh gosh, go get diesel for heaven's sake. I need to be online now, please. Oh,
if I don't think that we are joking here.
Not concern me if you like to do if you want to do.
No problem. I'm sure you will come and eat. No wahala.
No.
It's mine.
I'll buy fuel. I'll buy the fuel.
You buy the fuel. Don't hear food now. You buy
I'll buy fuel.
No buy.
Hi. Naughty fine. You not go see for gate oh. So if I not buy fuel, no. That means I not go eat food for this house. Me, the chief security of this compound. Hi. Ugo! Why is it come inside house now?
How will you know when you are always opening the gate every time?
See this one. Animal human form.